Welcome to KimchiTech English. Do you know how babies start learning languages? The parents give basic words and they start with basic conversation. After that, the baby repeats what the parents say. Repetition is crucial for mastering a new language.
Let's explore how English is spoken in the real world. Ready? Let's jump in.
Asking for ingredients.
Do you have any fresh basil?
Yes, it's in the herbs section.
Great. I'll get some.
Buying furniture.
Is this table on sale?
Yes, it's 30% off.
That's a good deal.
At the pharmacy.
I need some medicine for a cold.
You can find cold medicine on aisle 4.
Thank you.
Asking about warranty.
Does this TV come with a warranty?
Yes, it has a 1-year warranty.
That's good to know.
Buying art supplies.
I need some paint and brushes.
The art supplies are in aisle 7.
Thank you.
Asking for a price match.
Do you price match?
Yes, we do. Show us the lower price.
Here it is. Shopping for a laptop.
I need a new laptop for school.
This model is good for students.
How much is it?
It's $600.
I'll take it.
At the bookstore.
Do you have books in English?
Yes, they are on the second floor.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
At the supermarket.
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
The bread is in aisle 5.
Thank you.
Buying clothes.
How much is this t-shirt?
It's $20.
Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting rooms are over there.
Asking for help.
Can you help me, please?
Sure. What do you need?
I am looking for a gift for my friend.
At the checkout.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great, I'll pay with my card.
Return policy.
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Yes, you can return it within 30 days.
Thank you.
Asking for a discount.
Is there a discount on this item?
Yes, it's 10% off.
That's great. I'll take it.
Looking for sizes.
Do you have this in a size medium?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Thanks a lot.
At a restaurant.
I'd like to order a pizza, please.
What toppings would you like?
Cheese and pepperoni.
Buying electronics.
Can you recommend a good laptop?
This model is very popular.
How much is it?
It's $500.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy?
It's 2 blocks down the street on the left.
Thank you very much.
Shopping for shoes.
Do you have these shoes in size 8?
Yes, we do. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please.
Looking for vegetables.
Where can I find the tomatoes?
They are in the produce section.
Thank you.
Asking for recommendations.
Can you recommend a good shampoo?
This one is very popular.
I'll take it.
Buying a book.
Do you have the latest mystery novel?
Yes, it's right here.
Great, I'll buy it.
At the bakery.
I'd like a loaf of bread, please.
White or whole wheat?
Whole wheat, please.
Checking prices.
How much are these apples?
They are $2 per pound.
I'll take 2 pounds.
Buying jewelry.
Is this necklace real silver?
Yes, it is.
How much does it cost?
It's $50.